French startup Harmattan AI has attracted significant attention with its latest innovation, the GOBI drone, a small, high-velocity interceptor specifically engineered to counter the rising threat of kamikaze drones like the Shahed 136. Highlighted by Defense UA, this development directly addresses the urgent need to neutralize inexpensive loitering munitions swiftly on today's battlefields. GOBI combines advanced AI autonomy, rapid response speed, and a minimal weight profile to revolutionize short-range drone defense and airspace security. The GOBI weighs under 2 kilograms and can accelerate up to 250 kilometers per hour, designed to detect and eliminate hostile UAVs within a 5-kilometer range in under a minute from launch. This quick reaction time makes it an ideal tool for high-threat environments where rapid air defense is critical. Unlike traditional interceptors, GOBI forgoes explosive warheads and instead uses kinetic energy to destroy targets, an approach that reduces costs and enhances safety by minimizing collateral damage. The drone's design supports integration with modern command systems, enabling precise threat identification and lowering the risk of friendly fire incidents. Harmattan AI, founded in April 2024, developed the GOBI through accelerated prototyping influenced heavily by combat lessons from drone-saturated theaters like Ukraine. Within just over a year, the company secured a multi-million-euro contract with a NATO member state, planning initial deployments by October 2025. This rapid industrial cycle underlines the urgent operational demand shaping next-generation defense solutions. Traditional anti-drone platforms tend to be bulky, costly, and slow to react, but GOBI provides a nimble, economical alternative capable of near-instant interception. By focusing on kinetic strikes rather than explosives, it avoids many of the legal and ethical challenges posed by traditional weapons. Compared to larger systems such as Israel's Drone Dome or Rheinmetall's Sky Ranger, GOBI's compact and simple design excels in dense threat environments, providing effective point defense against swarming drone attacks. This evolution in air defense recalls Cold War-era shifts where portable guided missiles replaced cumbersome artillery in asymmetric conflicts. On a strategic level, GOBI offers a versatile defensive layer against the increasing use of loitering munitions for sabotage, gray zone conflicts, and cross-border raids. For NATO members and countries exposed to drone swarm tactics, evident from Ukraine's encounters with Shahed drones, this technology delivers scalable, fast-acting protection. The program also reinforces France's position as a pioneer in AI-driven military innovation within Europe. Beyond being a technical breakthrough from an ambitious startup, GOBI exemplifies the broader transformation militaries face in countering new aerial threats. By delivering a cost-effective, AI-powered interceptor that reacts within seconds, Harmattan AI sets a new benchmark in counter-UAV defense, moving closer to autonomous, real-time battlefield airspace control in an era where rapid response is paramount.